Good morning students. Today we are learn sixth topic social responsibility of business. Social responsibility of business. First we are learn today introduction. Introduction. Social responsibility of business implies the obligations of the management of a business entrepreneurs to protect the interests of the society. There are the different interest group are available in the society. For example, owners, investors, employees, consumers, government, community, society, publics, etc. Then no business exit is isolation. No business exists in isolation. There is not individual doing. Every organs of the society contribute towards the success of a business. There is the business social responsibility of business implied the obligation of the management of the business entrepreneur to protect the interests of the society. A socially responsible firm should not work solely, so not work individually for profit maximization, but should also seek the welfare of different section of the society. That the different section are available in the society. Every business organization operate in an environment with which it interact. That depends in environment. No organization can survive in the absence of environment. It has to draw its input like manpower, money, machine, materials, etc. for its environment. Every inputs are available in environment. After covering the input into output, the organization set it to the various segment of the society that are also important component of the environment. Thus, existing a business organization depend on the society both for the procurement of required input and disposal of its output. Then it become important that business should do something for the society in the return. This responsibility of business toward the society is called as a social responsibility. Another ones we are learned today here concept of social responsibility. The concept of social responsibility of business refer to its obligation to take those decisions and perform those actions which are desirable in terms of the objective and value of our society. It means business refer to the obligation to take those the decision to perform their action. We are taking any decision that depend for perform those action which are desired in terms of the objectives. What's your objective? We are maximization of profits and value of our society. So all the activities of business should be performed in such a manner that they will not harm any part of society. Rather, they will protect and contribute to the interests of society. Then another concept, a society consists of individuals like workers, consumers, management, shareholders, government, etc. A business organization should try to help the society by balancing its economic interests with social commitment by performing certain duties along with economic activity. Social responsibility refer to the obligations and duty of business toward the society. Business cannot function individually. They are depend for others and depends on the society. They are dependent on the society for supply of raw materials, capitals, labors, manpowers, etc. Business is a part of society and therefore has to follow and operate with the limit of rules laid down by the society. Only those businessmen can succeed who try to survey the society. They are searching for new informations, consumer needs, consumer wants. They are just searching, and those businessmen are success. Profit and service must go hand in hand. That's the concept of social responsibility. Another we are learn definition. Howard D. Bowens, they are defined social responsibility to push through policies. They are depends in policies to make those decisions or to follow those lines for action which are desirable in terms of the objectives and value of our society. It means social responsibility there depends in policy to make the decisions or to follow those all the line of action which are desired to terms of your objective. What's your objective? That the dependings and value of our society. They are defined for Howard D. Bowens. Keaton Davids defines social responsibility of business refer to the obligation of businessmen. Decisions and actions beyond the firm's is direct economic and technical interest. There is defined Keaton Davids. Social responsibility is a business refers. There is obligation of businessman decision. They are depend for businessman decision and action beyond the firm is direct economic and technical interest. Are defined for Keaton Davids. The concept of social responsibility has been followed in India since ancient time. Physicians like the Chanakya from India and British are era of philosophians in West preached and promoted ethical principles while doing the business. The social responsibilities, the concept of social responsibility, the concept of profit along with service does not minimize the importance of profit. It is necessary for the survival of the business. A businessman uses his profit not only for his domestic needs but keep a part of profit for the expenses of business. Buying raw materials, making payment of wages and salaries, purchasing assets, making payment of loans to the creditors, opening educational institutions, etc. It can thus be seen that a commercial organization which look after the interests of the society is not expected to overlook its interest. Social responsibility of business means that after keeping a reasonable margin of profit for itself, a business organization should fulfill its obligation to the different group of the society in an equitable manner. That the different groups are here: consumers, then government, publics, is all the different groups. Social responsibility is a broader than legal responsibility of business. Legal responsibility may be fulfilled by mere compliance with the law. Social responsibility of business more than that, it is the firms recognized by social obligation even though not covered by law, along with the obligation even though not covered by law, along with the obligation laid down by law. In other words, social responsibility involves an element of voluntary action on the part of business people for the benefit of society. Yes, today we are learn here 6 topics: social responsibility, that's introductions, concept and definition. If any doubt, call my personal numbers. Now, assignment questions. Write down the concept of social responsibility. Thank you, students.